Hello, Junior 2. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. Okay, Junior 2. Today we have a new grammar lesson which is called possessive adjectives, possessives, whose question mark. Okay, so this is our grammar lesson for today. We are going to start with your grammar book, Wonderful Word, okay? Unit 3, possessive adjectives, possessives, whose. We have here a small example just to make the idea more simple for you. My eggs are very big. My eggs are very big. Your eggs are very small. Your eggs are very small. Just this is a small introduction for our lesson. Now, Junior 2 are going to talk more about possessive adjectives, okay? And I will give you a small example that make the idea clear for you. Possessive adjectives, okay, what are they? We can use these words, which is our possessive adjectives, to show who a thing is, to show whose a thing is. For example, I'm going to take pen as an example, okay? I'm going to say if the pen is mine or belongs to me, I'm going to say my pen. I'm going to say my pen. If the pen is yours or belongs to you, I'm going to say your pen. I'm going to say your pen. If the pen belongs to a boy, a man, male in general, I'm going to say what? His pen. I'm going to say his pen. If the pen belongs to woman, girl, female in general, I'm going to say her pen. Her pen. Okay, if the thing belongs to animal or thing or an idea, so I'm going to say its. Its. Okay, if the pen, for example, belongs to us, me and you, so I'm going to say our pen. Our pen. Okay, so if the thing belongs to some people, not included me, I'm gonna to say their pen. I'm gonna to say their pen. Here we have a small example. It's my ball, it's her ball, or book. Okay, so here I think this is very simple example. And don't confuse between it's with apostrophe and it is. Okay, so it's with apostrophe is the short form of it is. Okay, but possessive adjectives here, okay, I'm gonna to write it's without apostrophe, so don't forget to note this small point. Now, can you see this boy? He's riding a car. He's riding a car. So, this boy is riding a car. So, when he want to talk about his car, he's gonna to say what? Yes, as mentioned here, I like my car. I like my car. So, my is possessive adjectives. It's explained that the car is belongs to him. Okay, so we have here the other possessive adjectives, which is our, my, its, our, your, his, her, their. So if the thing belongs to me, I'm gonna to say my, my, my. Now we have here a very small explanations, okay, that define what is possessive adjective. Okay, we use possessive adjective to show who owns or possesses something. Again, we use possessive adjectives to show who owns or possesses something. As example here, we all know the subject pronouns, which is are, I, we, you, he, she, they, it. So, I takes my, I takes my, we takes our, we takes our, You takes your. You takes your. He takes his. He takes his. She takes her. She takes her. They takes their. They takes their. It takes its. It takes its. We have here a small example. Let's read it together. He likes his bus. He likes his bus. Here we have a small example just for fun for you to make the idea is very easy for you. The first school bus here, okay, present to us subject pronoun and possessive adjective. The second one explains I takes my. I takes my. You takes yours. You takes your. He takes his. He takes his. She takes her. She takes her. It takes its. It takes its. We take our. We take our. They take their. They take their. So I think now the idea is very easy for you. And now we are all know what are the possessive adjectives. Now it's time for our booklet. Okay, in our classwork, we have here Unit 3A possessive adjectives. We use possessive adjectives to show whose a thing is. We use possessive adjectives to show whose a thing is. As we mentioned before, subject pronouns I takes my. You takes your. It takes its. She takes her. He takes his. They takes their. We takes our. So I think now it's very easy for you to know what are the possessive adjectives. Now it's time to practice from our grammar book, Wonderful Word. Exercise with letter A, write. Here we have personal pronouns. Okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And we have here to put the suitable possessive adjective. So, I takes my, you takes what? Your. He takes his. She takes her. It takes its. We takes our. They takes their. Now, exercise with letter B, circle. That castle is fantastic. Its door is big. This one already solved. Okay, number 2, look at Mia. His or her socks are red. The answer is going to be her socks are red. Number 3, we are twins. Our or her clothes are the same. We are twins. Our or her clothes are the same. We are going to choose our. Number 4, hello Ty. Is that his your new MP3 player? The answer is going to be your. Number 5, this skateboard is fast. Its or our wheels are big. The answer will be its, because I'm talking about the skateboard. Trek is sleeping. His or our computer game is boring. The answer is gonna to be his, because we are talking about something that belongs to Trek. Number 7, I am at school. My or your lesson is fun. I am at school. My or your lesson is fun. The answer will be my, because I'm talking about my school, or something that belongs to me at school, which is my lesson. Okay. Number 8. My parents have got a new car. Our or their new car is amazing. The answer is going to be there because I'm talking about the car that belonged to my parents. Now we are going to practice more to differentiate between his or her. As we said before, his is a possessive adjective that shows us that the thing is belong to a male. Her is a possessive adjective that belongs to things belong to a female. Okay, look here. The first one, book is pink. Book is pink. So the answer will be her. Her book is pink. Book is green. Book is green. So whose book is green, the boy or the girl? The boy. So his book is green. Bike is red. Bike is red. Whose bike is red, the boy or the girl? The boy. So I'm gonna to put his. His bike is red. Skates are blue. Skates are blue. Whose skates are blue? Yes, the girl. So I'm gonna to put her. Big suitcase. Whose suitcase is big, the boy or the girl? The girl. So her big suitcase. Her big suitcase. New iPad. Who hold the iPad, the boy or the girl? The boy. So I'm gonna to write what? His new iPad. After that, loud megaphone. Loud megaphone. Who's holding the megaphone? The boy. So his loud megaphone. New headphones. New headphones. The new headphones belong to the boy or to the girl? The girl. So her new headphones. Her new headphones. Big chess board. Big chess board. Who hold or play with chessboard? The boy. So his chessboard. His big chessboard. Blue music book. Who is holding the blue music book? The girl. So I'm gonna to put her blue music book. Pink costume. Pink costume. The pink costume is belong to the boy or to the girl? The girl. So her pink costume. Her pink costume. Yellow costume. As we can see here, the boy is wearing yellow costume, so his yellow costume. New ice skates. New ice skates. Who has the new ice skates? The girl or the boy? The girl. So her new ice skates. Her new ice skates. Yellow kayak. Yellow kayak. Who's riding the yellow kayak? The boy or the girl? The boy. So his yellow kayak. His yellow kayak. The last one, green scooter. Green scooter. Who's riding the green scooter? The boy. So his green scooter. His green scooter, because the green scooter is belong to him. After that, soccer ball. Soccer ball. Who's playing the soccer ball? The girl or the boy? The boy or the girl? The girl. So, her soccer ball. Her soccer ball. Now, classwork questions from the booklet. Booklet questions. Now, read the sentence carefully, then choose the correct answer. Number 1. This is his new skirt. Can you give me the answer? My, yes, because I'm talking about things that belong to me. Number 2. Here is your book. Here is, the right answer will be your book. Number 3. They study their lessons every day. They study, they takes which possessive adjective there. So they study their lessons every day. Number 4. The elephant plays with their hair its trunk. So I'm talking about just one elephant. So the elephant takes which possessive adjective? Takes its. Number 5. She washes her face in the morning. The right answer will be yes, her, because I'm talking about the face that belongs to the girl. So her is the right answer. Number 6. She uses her or his or its computer for playing. He uses its computer for playing. He takes which possessive adjective? His. The last one, number 7. We share this story with her, his, or our friends. We share. We takes which personal or possessive adjective? Our. So, we, personal pronoun, takes which possessive adjective? Our. So we share this story with our friends. Now with question number 2 in our booklet, we are going to read carefully and find the mistake, then we are going to correct the mistake. Number 1, this is Hussam. I want to play with her toy. Now I'm talking about Hussam's toys, so I'm going to put his, not her. So the correct answer will be this is Hussam. I want to play with his toy. Number 2, my mother is short, but my hair is long. Here I'm talking about the hair of my mother, so I'm gonna to put hair, not my. The mistake is in the possessive adjective my. I'm gonna to replace it with hair. So the correct answer will be my mother is short, but her hair is long. Number 3, look at the dog, its tail is long. Now I'm talking about the dog's tail. So here it's is the short form of it plus verb to be. It is, so it's wrong. I need the right possessive adjective, so I'm gonna to write its. So the right answer will be look at the dog, its tail is long. Number 4, they are twins. Our names are Lian and Ali. Here I'm talking about Lian and Ali. So they take personal pronoun they. They takes their in possessive adjectives. So the correct sentence will be they are twins. Their names are Lian and Ali. Number 5, this is I school bag. Now I'm talking about the school of bag, which is mine. So I here is the wrong answer. So we underlined it, and the correct answer is gonna to be my school bag. Number 6, we are in the park. His teacher is here too. So here the mistake is his, because we are talking about ourselves or we. Okay, so we take possessive adjective our. Number 7, could you give me its telephone number. The mistake in the word its. Okay, so I'm asking you to give me your phone number. So the right answer is your. So the correct sentence will be, could you give me your phone number? Now it's homework time. Okay, the homework part in our booklet. The first question is choose the correct answer, and the second question is correct the mistake. In the first question, I'm gonna to read this, okay, with you, and you try to solve it alone, and after that you are gonna to check your answers with the model answer. Number 1, they are doctors. There, his job is hard. Number 2, this is my brother. Here, his name is Peter. Number 3, I've got a dog. Its name is Rex. Number 4, Sarah likes sports. My favorite sport is swimming. Number 5, we are sisters. There, our dresses are yellow. Number 6, I'm your English teacher. His name is Mrs. Isra. Number 7, give me you or your book, please. Question number 2, correct the mistake. Number 1, this is my cat. Her fur is gray. The mistake is hair. Number 2, I've got a car. Their car is black. The mistake in the word there. Number 3, Mona is 21 years old. Its hair is beautiful. The mistake in the word its. Number 4, Muhammad and her brother are students. The mistake in the word hair. Number 5, my name is Maya. What's your name? Okay, the mistake in the word you. Number 6, we go to school. His school is fantastic. The mistake in the word his. Number 7, Ahmad and Muhammad love their house. The mistake in the word they. Now try to solve it by your own, and after that check your answers with the model answer. Here is the model answer for question number 1, which is choose the correct answer, and question number 2, correct the mistake. The answer of number 1, their. Number 2, his. Number 3, its. Number 4, her. Number 5, our. Number 6, my. Number 7, your. The second question, correct the mistake. The correct words are number 1, its. Number 2, my. Number 3, her. Number 4, his. Number 5, your. Number 6, our. Number 7, their. I hope you answer all the questions correctly. B, possessives. Okay, possessive in a short sentence means I'm gonna to put apostrophe s, okay, beside the noun or beside the word to show that this thing belongs to this person. For example, here in our picture we can see Mia and Tai and another person standing, okay, in the picture here, and Tai says Tai's music is good. Tai's music is good. Mia says Tai's MP3 player is blue. That's his MP3 player. So, what is possessive? Possessive means that we put apostrophe s after the name of a person or animal to show who thing is it or it is. For example, it's Jack's bike. They are the girls' chocolates. It's the parrot's toy. So we put apostrophe s, okay, beside the owner of the thing. Now it's time to practice from our grammar book. Exercise with letter C, write. We have here some words: bird, butterfly, dog, elephant, girl, snail. Number 1, this is an elephant's foot. This is an elephant foot. So he put apostrophe s to refer that the food belongs to the elephant. Number 2. This is a eye. This is a eye. What can you see here? I can see a bird's eye. So I will put the word bird apostrophe s to refer that the eye belongs to the bird. Bird's eye. Number 3. These are a shoes. These are a shoes. What can you see? You can see girls' shoes. Girls' shoes. So I will write the word girl apostrophe s to refer that the shoes belongs to the girl. Number 4. This is a nose. This is a nose. Okay. What can I see here? I see dog's nose. I see dog's nose. So I put the word dog apostrophe s to refer that the nose belongs to the dog. Number 5. This is a shell. This is a shell. What can you see? I see snails. Shell. Snails shell. So I will write the word snail apostrophe s shell. Number 6. This is a wing. This is a wing. What can you see? I can see a butterfly wing. So I will write this is a butterfly's wing. So I will write the word butterfly apostrophe s to refer that the wing belongs to the butterfly. Now is classwork questions from the booklet. First of all, we are going to define the word possessives. Okay. We put apostrophe s after the name of a person or animal to show whose thing is this. Again, we put apostrophe s after the name of a person or animal to show whose thing is this. For example, this is Toad's hat. This is Toad's hat. We put apostrophe s, okay, after the name Toad, okay, to mention that the hat belongs to Toad. Example number 2. It's the cat's paw. It's the cat's paw. We put apostrophe s after the word cat to mention that the ball belongs to the cat. Okay, we have here question. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. This is Mike's hat. Mike or Mike's hat. The correct answer will be Mike's hat. Number 2. It's Laura or Laura's bike. So the right answer, Laura's. Number 3. The cat's tail is tall. The cat's tail is tall. So the right answer will be cat's. Number 4. These are Sandy's or Sandy's shoes. These are Sandy or Sandy's shoes. The right answer will be Sandy's. Number 5. This is Ronnie's photo. This is Ronnie's photo. The right answer is Ronnie's with apostrophe s. Number 6. Alice's sister is 6 years old. Okay, don't be confused. We have to choose the apostrophe first, then s, not s, then apostrophe. So the right answer will be Ali apostrophe s. The sentence will be Ali's sister is 6 years old. Number 7. This is my mother's mother umbrella. This is my mother's mother umbrella. So the correct answer will be mother's. Mother with apostrophe s. 8. Is this James vase? Is this Jim or James vase? The right answer, James apostrophe s. Number 9. My father father's car is blue. My father's car is blue. So I'm gonna to choose father apostrophe s. Okay, so the sentence will be my father's car is blue. C. Whose. And don't forget to put at the end the question mark, because whose is W question or one of W questions. So this is a question tool. So at the end, don't forget to put the question mark. Okay, we have here an example. Okay, we have a small conversation between Ty and Leo. Ty said, "Yummy, whose dinner is this?" Yummy, whose dinner is this? Ty answered or replied, I think it's their dinner. Run. I think it's their dinner. Run. So whose question is to ask who a thing belongs to. We use whose. We answer with its or their. It's if the thing is singular, one. We are gonna to use they are if it's plural, more than one. And the possessive adjective my, your, his, their, our, or apostrophe s after the name of a person or animal. For example here, whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? It's my pencil. It's my pencil. So here I use my pencil possessive adjective. Number 2, whose bike is this? Whose bike is this? It's Jerry's bike. It's Jerry's bike. Here I use the possessives, put apostrophe s after the name. Number 3, whose socks are these? Whose socks are these? They are Mark's socks. They are Mark's socks. So in this case also we put apostrophe s after the name of a person or a thing. Classwork questions from the booklet. C. Whose question is to ask about possessions. We use whose to ask who a thing belongs to. For example here, whose book is this? Whose book is this? It's Mike's bike. It's Mike's bike. So we put apostrophe s after the name Mike to refer that the bike belongs to Mike. And if I want to ask a question, I have to use whose. I have to use whose. Exercise number 1. Here in the classwork, choose the correct answer. Number 1, who is or whose computer is this? Whose computer is this? I'm gonna choose whose. It's my brother's computer. It's my brother's computer. So I have apostrophe s in the word brother. So he won't ask me the computer belongs to whose. So I'm gonna to use whose. Number 2, whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? It's Riham or Riham's bag. So the answer will be Riham's bag. Number 3, whose or what parrot is that? It's Adil's. It's Adil's. So apostrophe s after the name Adil. So he wants to know whose parrot is this. So I'm gonna to use or answer with whose. Okay. Number 4, whose jacket is this? It's Ahmad's. Whose jacket is this? It's Ahmad or Ahmad's. So the answer will be Ahmad's, the name with apostrophe s. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. Whose ball is this? And he wants me to use the word Omar in the answer. So the answer will be, this is Omar's ball. This is Omar's ball. Number 2, Whose toys are these? Whose toys are these? He wants me to put my sister inside my answer. So the answer will be, these are my sister's toy. These are my sister's toy. So I put apostrophe S after my sister to refer that the toys belong to her. Homework part from the booklet. We have 2 questions in the homework part. The first one is choose the correct answer. The second part is correct the mistake. I'm gonna to read this with you, and after that we are gonna to check the answers and try to solve it by yourself, okay, and check your answers with the model answer. Number 1, choose the correct answer. 1, this is Nada or Nada's doll. Number 2, what, whose watch is this? It's Adam's watch. Number 3, this is Karim's or Karim present. Number 4, Noha's dress is so beautiful. Number 5, I sat next to Ali or Ali's desk. Number 6, whose t-shirt is this? It's Tom's t-shirt. Question number 2, correct the mistake. You are gonna to read the sentence carefully, and he put line under the wrong word and you have to correct it and write it again, okay? So number 1, this is Sophie's cat. Number 2, who book is this? It's Lian's book. Number 3, Sharif cap is nice. Number 4, this is Mona computer. Number 6, whose rubber is this? It's Ali rubber. Number 7, my sister pencil case is pink. So try to figure out the mistake and write the correct answer. Our model answer. Okay, for choose the correct answer, number 1, Nada's. Number 2, whose. Number 3, Karim's. Number 4, Noha's. Number 5, Ali's. Number 6, whose. Okay, question number 2, correct the mistake. Number 1, Sophie's. Number 2, whose. Number 3, Sharif's. Number 4, Mona's. Number 6, Ali's. Number 7, sisters. Now we finished our lesson, okay? Thank you, Junior 2. Try to practice well and study well. I hope you learned how to use possessive adjective, possessives, and whose question well. Try to solve the question again and check it with your model answer. Hope you are doing fine. Thank you.